Final thing to do with your iMovie is when you're finished, actually export it or produce it so it's in a video file that somebody can watch. You could do that by clicking the share button in the top right hand corner here and choosing how you want to share the file. So you can send it to iTunes, straight to YouTube, Facebook, etc. We're going to focus on this file one, which is going to save it as an MP4 that you can then send to anyone to actually watch. So you can click the share button up here, or you can go File, Share, and then all those options are here as well. So I'm going to go Share, choose File. It's then going to give us some options. So the first one here is the name. So what name do you want to give your video? In the bottom left, it tells you how long the video goes for, 13 seconds, and how big it is, 13.5 megabytes. On the right hand side, there's a description for the video. Don't worry about tags. We have the format. Well, I want video and audio. You can have it just as audio. The resolution is the quality. So the higher the number, the better the quality. So I'm going to go resolution, leave it at 1280, which is good quality but not the best. 1920 there is the best. And you'll notice when I make it 1920, the file size gets larger. You then have a final choice of quality. So low, medium, high, or best. So again, the higher I make this, that number will get higher, which means it takes up more space. So if I make it high, it goes from 22 to 33. If I go best, it goes from 33 all the way up to 243. So a lot larger. So I'm just going to leave it on high. I'm going to hit next, and it's going to ask me where I want to save it. So you can save it to the desktop or any of your folders, or you click the drop down arrow to see all of your options. So I'm going to save mine to my documents. Here's the iMovie. I'm going to leave the name video tutorial, hit save, and in the top right hand corner a little circle appears, and you can see it starting to flick across. When it gets completely grey, that means your video is finished, and a message will pop up saying successfully exported. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to go to my iMovie folder, and video tutorial is there. So I'm going to play this, and there we have the video that we've produced. You'll notice that's just an MP4 file, a video file, so you can copy and paste this, you can put it on the Dropbox, you can send it however you like, you can upload it to YouTube still, do whatever it is you want. So you have a saved copy of your video. The final thing that I should have mentioned right at the beginning is that iMovie automatically saves. So there's no file save button because iMovie is automatically saving your work. So if I was to scroll up and click on here, I would see video tutorial is there, and this work is always being saved whenever I use it.